Most people get this wrong. They think Advance Alpha Pay is just another payday app that traps users in fees. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it offers quick, reliable cash advances with clear repayment terms and user-friendly tools to manage short-term borrowing. Here's how it works. Advance Alpha Pay lets you request small advances based on earned income. The approval process is fast, often within a few hours, and the funds are deposited directly into your bank account. Before confirming a loan, the app shows exactly how much you'll repay and when, so there are no hidden surprises. A standout feature is the app's financial dashboard. You can monitor upcoming payments, track past loans, and see your remaining balance in real time. This level of transparency helps users plan short-term finances and avoid late fees. The downside? Using Advance Alpha Pay for non-essential spending can quickly become costly. It's meant for emergencies or planned short-term needs, not everyday purchases. Tips for responsible use: 1. Borrow only what you can repay on schedule. 2. Set reminders to avoid missed payments. 3. Track your cash flow carefully to prevent overspending. Who benefits most? Individuals with a steady income who occasionally need immediate access to cash. Those with irregular income or poor budgeting habits may accumulate fees quickly. In conclusion, Advance Alpha Pay in 2026 is a practical, transparent tool for short-term borrowing, but only when used responsibly. Use it for emergencies, stay on top of repayments, and avoid unnecessary expenses. Subscribe for more honest app reviews and useful financial advice.